बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद. The next speaker is Subhash Chandra Singh. Yes, please.
Sir, Honorable Vice Chairman, sir, Occupation Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code. Criticism based on excessive use of delegated legislations running through the courts. For instance, the court does not specify many of the provisions in the earlier acts, such as guaranteed access, drinking water, canteen, washrooms. All has been left to be carried out by delegated legislatures, doing things through rules. Minimum purpose of health and safety standards could have been defined in the code and out to be saluted. Sir, center or state government have been given the power to exempt many provisions of the code as per the provisions laid in clause allows central and state government whether to exempt notification any establishment from the provision of this code. Growth in economic activities cannot be at the cost of suspension of basic health and safety standards. The Standing Committee has lauded many initiatives taken by the Government of Odisha, both inside and outside the state, for the benefit of occupational safety, health and working condition of interstate migrants during this period. Sir, clause 2, 1 and D defines appropriate government definition is problematic. The central government can appropriate everything to itself. Public health and safety is a subject in the state list, and the state government's power to make laws must not be encroached upon. There should be a nomenclature changes in the code from Inspector Raj to Director power as each done in the state of Odisha. Inspector Raj clause 2, 1 and K talks of inspector come facilitators in Odisha. These inspectors are titled directors. The nomenclature needs to change here with the times as well, calling these personnel's director instead of inspector may be opposite. Clause 2.1 ZZC and provides for the definition of a worker. The minimum threshold of wage must be increased from 15,000 to 30,000. Several helplines as initiated by the Odisha government, like Shramik Sahayak helpline, labor help desk, seasonal hostels for children of migrant workers, the strengthening of anti-human trafficking units. Similar helpline must be incorporated at the central level as well. Social Security Code. Clause 142 mandates Aadhaar not very user friendly. Aadhaar, another opening for delegated legislature. Odisha had exempted Aadhaar for the PDS discussion during COVID-19, considering the issue people are facing. Must be user friendly. Clause 100 invited 2 and 103 are provision of workings upon the power of state building and other construction workers welfare says Act. Government of the state board, central government has been given power under the new code. Clause 103 also provide central government the power to appoint any other authority against concentration of power in hands of the center. Industrial Code. Clause 55(4) dispute regulations mechanism under the new code. Central and state government have been provides power to modify or reject and awarded issued by the tribunals on public interest grounds and grounds of social justice. History stands testimony to the fact that such previous legislations have not stood the test of have been overruled by the High Court for Section 17A Industrial Dispute Act was quashed by the Andhra Pradesh High Court and the Madras High Court. As such provisions violate the set principles that the quasi-judicial award cannot be set aside by the executive or legislative action. The new code diluted the provision of strike, the provision of fixed term contract identified indefinitely is also bothersome clause for 40 tilt the balance of power towards the employers and grant him unfettered power to the suspend an employee on ground of misconduct or without providing notice. There are description since in clause 9 which deals in registration of trade unions. The notes attached with the code provides for a lot of guidelines which have not been reflected in the main text of the code, but the notes provide that agents should be given both the refusal and cancellation of the registrations. However, the main text only provide for reason to be given only for cancellation and not refusal. The notes also provide for the process of approval or refusal within 45 days. However, the main text is silent on any such timeline. Provision that promote delegation legislation must be relooked. They must be had quoted in Act itself and not left to be delegated on letter. The three codes are welcome moves towards necessary changes in labor laws. However, better promote a case of doing business and in the large interest of the nation, the issue pertaining to the three codes must be relooked into so as to ensure better implementations. A code this big is bound to have various cases, but the government must aim to iron out the issues and address them in advance and make the law efficient and effective. The BJD government, led by Mr. Naveen Patnaik, is happy to support the code, but requests the central government to address the issue raised. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Honourable Member Shri Ramchandra Prasad Singh ji.